In this video, I'll show you how to use the Zygo fitting guide to script our Zygo back support. So my first step is to measure the user back width. With hands by the sides, I simply take this measurement along the back surface from axilla to axilla. I then use this measurement to find my Zygo width. My second step is to find my back support height. To find this, I start from where I want the back support to finish, measure down to the PSIS, and then add 1 inch below. That is my ideal back support height. To illustrate, I'll show you this again using a spine. I start from where I'd like the back support to finish, measure down to the PSIS, and then add 1 inch below. That is my ideal back support height. My third step is to choose the contour. Zygo comes in 2 contours, a shallow, active contour and a supportive, deep contour. In this example, my user back width was 13.5 inches. This gives me a Zygo width of 14 inches. My back support height measurement was 13 inches, and in this example, I've chosen to go with the supportive, deep contour. This aligns nicely with our 14 by 13 Zygo deep mid back support. I can use the sizing table to check any other dimensions I might need. In this example, I'm using the adjustment capability of our drop mount hardware to fit a 14-inch wide back support to a 16-inch wide wheelchair. This allows me to script the back support to match the user, not the wheelchair. Now that we've fitted our Zygo back support, we can use the included contouring pieces with the hardware or the additional TSS Lite kit to further fine-tune our fit.